Hello YouTube. In this video I'll be showing how to make a moving platform. So I'll also show what this button does, how I actually implement it, but I'm not going to show how to make the button directly. I have made another video that explains how to do this pressure plate and attach it to actors like this platform. So if you're interested in that, you can watch it from that link. And this is how it works. So you click on the pressure plate, you have some target objects. You can add the platform to that, and let's see if it's working. All right. So it's that the platform is going to its target location, which is somewhere here. Let's see. Yeah, this is the target location. You can edit this in the world space. You can make it go like high up there. Let's see. Yup. And you can make it go back once you release it from the pressure plate. So like that. All right. So let's get started. I'm going to delete this platform. So what I'm going to do here is, because I have a pressure plate here, I'm going to create a child actor from my trigger object parent class, master class. You can see how to make that in my other pressure plate tutorial video. But you don't necessarily need to watch it right now. I'm going to show you how to make a standalone platform as well. Just keep watching. So VP platform 2, because I already have one right here. So I'm going to go into my platform. I'm going to add a cube. You can add a static mesh if you have like a specialized platform for this. I'm going to make the z value 0.3. I'm going to make this a bit bigger, the x and y values. Okay, and that's it for here. Now we're going to go into the event graph. Alright, so now if you watch the tutorial, the pressure plate tutorial, you can add a custom, sorry, not a custom event, a event switch, which comes from the interface that I've added to the parent class. You can make a branch to check if the button is active or not, and after that, basically you create a timeline. And if you haven't watched it, you can just, let's say, add an input Q, let's say, and make this a flip-flop, and then attach A to the play and B to reverse. Or you can create a custom event and call it somewhere. And how we're going to do this is we're going to set relative location of the platform, and we're going to update that on the timeline. Inside the timeline, you can add a float track. Time 0 value is going to be 0, and at the end, which in this case is 5 time, the value is going to be 1. Let's close that. Now we have the new track, and go back to the set relative location. From here, we're going to linear interpolate the vector value. Starting point is going to be 0, 0, 0 because this is the relative location. And the end point is going to be a variable we are going to create. We're going to call this the target location. And for the alpha value, you can connect the timeline. Now, this target location, we need to, if you don't really need to do it, but it's going to be a lot easier. You can make it instance editable and show 3D widget. So this way, you're going to be able to edit the location of it in world space. We're going to compile that, and that seems to be it. Let's try it out. I have my platform here. I have my target location across the room. When I click Q, it's not working because I haven't added the player input. So you need to go and activate player 0 or whatever your player you have to be able to access and give commands inside this blueprint. So I'm going to click Q. Okay. Alright, seems to be working. So this is without the pressure plate. Now what you can do with the pressure plate is you can call event switch. Sorry, you can make a branch which is connected to the active. You can set true to be play, false to be reverse, and that's it. Now you'll be able to add your platform to the pressure plate, and you can put the cube on this, and now it's going, and when you release the cube, it goes back. Okay, so that was it for this video. If you like the video, if you find it helpful, you can like and subscribe. If you want to support me, you can share the video, and have a good night.